The Larson Electronics EPL482L LED PNSF explosion-proof LED light fixture is United States and Canada approved Class 1 Division 1 and 2 and Class 2 Division 1 and 2 for areas where flammable chemical, petrochemical vapors exist or have the potential to exist. This explosion-proof LED light has a T6 temperature rating and carries a paint spray booth light certification, making it ideal for applications such as paint booths, oil rigs, offshore applications, petrochemical, manufacturing, chemical storage, water treatment centers, and food processing plants. This light is equipped with specially designed LED T-Series bulbs which produce 7,000 lumens. Our LED T-Series bulbs are visibly brighter than standard T8s and have consistently surprised many of our customers with their unexpectedly high light output levels. This 2-lamp explosion-proof LED linear fixture is lighter in weight, has a slimmer profile, and produces more light than traditional explosion-proof fluorescent fixtures. The 4-foot-long LED tube design bulbs included with this unit are rated at 50,000 hours of service life. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.